Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have a Wix website and you're keen to connect it to Instagram shopping, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to integrate your Wix site with Instagram so your visitors can easily follow your Instagram profile and keep up with your latest products or updates. This process is quick, but understanding each step will set you up for smoother marketing and better reach through Instagram shopping. So let's dive in. First, let's start at your Wix web design dashboard. You'll want to make sure you're logged in and looking at the main editor where you manage your site. This is your control center, kind of like the cockpit for everything that makes your website shine. If you've never done this before, don't worry. Wix is pretty user-friendly, and I'll guide you through each click and choice. Now, look over on the left-hand menu and find the option that says Add Apps. This is where Wix lets you plug in extra features and integrations that can make your site much more dynamic. Click on it, and you'll see an app marketplace pop up, kind of like the App Store on your phone, but specifically designed for your website. Next, in the app search bar at the top, type Instagram and hit enter. You might see a few different results, but here's what you're really looking for. An app called Instagram Follow Us and Counter. This is important because in order to set up Instagram shopping functionality, you first need a direct, visible connection between your Wix site and your Instagram account. The follow button and counter act as a bridge, allowing your visitors not just to see your Instagram feed, but to hop over and follow you with a single click. Once you've located Instagram Follow Us and Counter, go ahead and click on it. Then hit Add to Site. At this point, Wix will start installing the app on your site. You'll probably see a prompt asking you to confirm that you agree to add it. Just check the box or click Agree. This part is basically Wix making sure you're happy to connect your site with an external service. After you agree, the app may take a little while to load and install. Don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Sometimes it takes a few moments, especially if your site has a lot of content or custom features already running. Think of it like refreshing your phone after an update. Give it a second. Once it's done, you should see a new Instagram follow button and a counter displaying your current follower count appear right on your Wix site. This is the fun part. Not only does this make it super easy for visitors to follow you, but it gives your brand a social proof boost by showing off your audience numbers directly on your homepage or shop page. It's a little like putting up a sign at your storefront telling people how popular you are. It encourages more people to join in, and that's really it. The setup is straightforward, but these few steps link your Wix website and your Instagram profile so you can start benefiting from Instagram shopping features and connect more deeply with your customers. If anything seemed unclear or you ran into trouble on a particular step, don't hesitate to drop a question in the comments. I'm always here to help out, and chances are someone else has the same question as you. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. Want more website and social media tips? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our next deep dive. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.